Hello everyone, so Spencer here, BMP Conversions. Just thought I'd do a very quick video just to show a M3 C-pillar conversion we've done for a customer. So customer come in, his car had previously been converted to M3 sort of look-alike with the front wings, front and rear bumpers, side skirts and rear quarters done, but they hadn't done the rear C-pillar or boot lid. So I just thought I'd detail exactly how they look once they're fitted, and how the car sort of how the car goes together once while we're putting it together. So as you can see on the top here, good video, but as you can see on the top here, you end up with no joint. The C-pillar comes with the top trim included, so it's moulded into the actual item. There's no need to make that part separate, because it's just another part you've got to then contend with fitting. And then if I zoom out here, you can see the C-pillar is all fitted perfectly. Got the boot line nice and level across the top of the rear quarters. So this one's had quite an extensive sort of bodywork done to the rear wheel arches, but all we were concerned about mainly is making the C-pillar fit like a factory item. And as you can see, it does down the tops of the rear quarters where it meets the boot lid. This one's actually got our boot lid on it, so this is a carbon fibre boot lid. Obviously not side view, painted boot lid. If I go down there, you can see how nice and level the boot lid is along the top of the rear lights. And then if we go around this side, again going around that side, show the C-pillar joint to the top of the rear quarter. So it's actually nice and perfect, the line. This also has our parcel shelf cover. So this parcel shelf here is a cover. I'll try and go in the car so you can see. It is a cover for the parcel shelf for an e30 M3. Basically, e30 M3 is a two-part parcel shelf. So we make these in fiberglass and carbon fibre, these C-pillar parcel shelves, and you can paint the fiberglass ones, or you can have a carbon side view. When we fit them, because they rattle if you don't put any sound deadening, and we put sticky back rubber on the back of it as well, it stops it from rattling. But you can actually see the internal structures of the C-pillar. So all the way around, all the C-pillar has its factory internal structures. They're all carbon fibre. Come out of the car, show you inside the boot. So this is a factory BMW glass in there. A lot of people ask me, can you fit the original glass in the carbon fibre C-pillar? Yes, you can. You can fit the factory glass in there. This is the factory glass in there with original window trims. I think the top trim, centre trim there is discontinued now, so you can't get them, they're no longer available. But our boot lid obviously fits with our hinges. So these, again, moving back, the hinges on this car are another product that we make and sell. So we basically sell the entire C-pillar conversion kit, the boot lids, the hinges, the C-pillars themselves, the internal structures for the C-pillar, and we can supply the trims as well, window trims if you'd like. You can get a Lexan rear window, a plastic glass, plastic rear window that will go in there, and that will hold that absolutely fine. If I just show you how strong this section is, there's no movement whatsoever. The car, literally, suspension is going up and down. You know, you can put a lot of weight, as substantially strong. But something else I want to point out while I'm making this video is the rear quarter tops here. They're M3 only, and the people who've done this body conversion, so they'd put the M3 arches onto this car as well as the front and rear bumpers and side skirts. They had a standard boot lid on here, so the boot lid actually finished another 5 inches this way, or roughly 5 inches this way. So this gutter is completely different and is a M3 only. Now we sell that gutter, the top piece, we sell that in carbon fibre, so that you can basically fit that to the tops of your rear quarter, and then have a complete rain gutter all the way around the boot. So all this upper gutter, try and show you, all this upper gutter is all carbon fibre. The entire piece is carbon fibre all the way around, and you can see water will just drain straight into it. You can even fit the original seal with the way that we've done it, the way that we've designed everything, and all the water will vacate the boot area. So you can see this is the underside of the parcel shelf. This is another extension piece that is part of the C-pillar kit, and we also sell that with our C-pillar kit, so that you can mount everything like a factory item. So that piece under here gives this piece strength, the top piece strength. Again, just a shot inside the boot lid, so you can see the boot lid is actually fitted with all factory hinges and nuts and bolts. We've got the standard latch mechanism for the e30, and the only thing that you will have to do with our hinges and boot lids is you have to just space out just put some washers in here